I'm Michelle, and today on Maker Monday we are going to make a Mother's Day card and also a flower. For our ideas, we've gone to the shelves and I found these books which are very good for ideas. Okay, so now we're going to make the card. So I've got a piece of white paper, just fold it in half for your card. And then we also need a glue stick, some scissors, and I just had some different coloured papers to make our flower. So I've made a couple already and I'm going to show you how to make some more. So you just have a square piece of paper, any size you like depending on how big you want your flowers. You just fold it in half and fold it into another smaller triangle and then a smaller triangle again. So then you have a piece like that. So you just hold it with the end with your finger and you can cut around your finger to make a petal, and then you just unfold it and that becomes your petal, your flower. So then we have one flower like that, and then we'll just quickly make another one. So we've got the same thing again, fold it to make a smaller triangle and fold again. So it doesn't matter if it's all rough at the end because we're going to cut that off. Hold it with your finger again and just cut around, and you can make a different shape or the same type of shape. So then we just open it up and we have our another flower. So then we just need to make a circle for the inside. So I've just drawn a circle on the page, only because I can't cut a circle out in the first place with a pair of scissors. So we'll just cut around, roughly around our circle, and we'll just then cut another one, which I've got a pencil, so I just draw another circle. This one we'll colour in to make it black. So any of these you can also do with white paper, and you can just colour them in. So there's no reason to go and find anything else but white paper and go from there. So I just cut that one out, and then we stick that onto the middle of our card like so. Grab the other one and do the same thing. Stick that on the middle of our card, of our flower, to go on our card. So then we have our flowers. So then to make our flower, you get some green paper or white paper if you only got that, and we cut some strips. So we just need 5 strips to cut. So roughly about the same width, about 1/2 centimetre, and cut them all out. So I've got 3, 4, and then our last one. So we've got roughly 2 about the same size. So we've got 2 small ones, 2 bigger ones. That just gives you our flower different heights, and then our last one will make a little bit longer as well. So then all we do is get our card, we put a dab of glue on the end here, and then we just stick our petals, our leaves on. So we stick it down, put a bit of glue on top, and then we just put the other ones on as well. Now you just have to add a bit more glue. And then our last one. So then we have our bunch of flowers. So we just have to make them stand out, you just fold it back and then fold it forward. So you fold it back and then forward like so. And you do that to all of them so that they all spring up a little bit like that. So that's what you will look like. And then you get your flowers, put a bit of glue on the back of them, and you stick them to your stem. So you can pick wherever you'd like them to go, and then you just stick them on like so. And now for the last one. And then there's your bunch of flowers. Now to make the ribbon, we just cut out a strip of orange. We're going to have an orange bow. So we just need a strip. I'll just make it all the way along just in case we want a bigger bow. And then we need a square piece to make our tie. So we just cut out a V out of the piece of paper, like so. Then we do roughly about the same width as our bow on either side. So we have a piece of paper that looks like a V. We then cut a triangle off each end, like so. So then we have a V like that. We get our bow and decide how big we want it. Probably about that big. We just cut the end off, put some glue on it on the end to make a loop, and take that out of the road because we don't want that. A bit of more glue here. So we then glue our bow down. We put a little bit of glue in there to make it stick down as well. And then we put a bit of glue on the end of our V, and we stick that one in as well. And there we go. There we have our flower card. Then which when I open it, you'll see we've done it back to front, but that's okay. We're left-handed. And then we write Happy Mother's Day. So then we have Happy Mother's Day. And that's our flower card. So then we have a card completed. So also, if you were unable to draw or cut out like that, you could use some scrap wrapping paper and cut flowers out of those, or a magazine, and stick them on instead of the ones I've shown you to make. So that's our card. I'll just wipe all this mess away. And now I'll show you how to make our other flower. This one, so that you can make that one. So it just needs some square material, which paper, you can use any sort of paper. I've got a nice pink and bright coloured paper, so you just need a square. So you fold it in half like so to form a triangle. You take this corner and you fold it up to the top corner, and you take the other side and do the exact same thing to it. So you have a rectangle, a square. So you bring this side here back to here. So you fold it to there. So it looks like so. You do the same on the other side. So it looks like that. You open this out, this piece here, and you fold it down flat, so it looks like that. And you do the same on the other side, and you fold it down flat like that. You then take these pieces here, you fold them back, like so, and also you do the same on the other side. You then bring this corner back into here, and the same here, and then you get your glue stick, and then you just put some glue on here, and then you fold them together, and that becomes your pedal. So sometimes you may just have to hold it together for a bit to get it to look like that. So you then make 3 or 4 of those, or sometimes up to 5 you may need, and then you go, and once they're dry you then glue them either onto a skewer, and then you just go around your skewer until you have a flower that looks like this, and then you can either stick a button or a gem or a bead into the top of it, and that's the end of your flower. And you can make those for Mum as well. So that was Maker Monday for this week. Hope you enjoyed it. Join us next week and we'll do something different. Thank you.